I'm Pritti Bori from Guwahati, Assam, and I'm a bridal professional makeup artist. Today I'm here with Avon and I'm going to create a look for our model here, Chandana, who's attending a wedding party, and we will be creating an evening look today with our Avon products. So first I finished the base using this product, which is a foundation, which is not a full coverage foundation but a sheer coverage, and also the concealer from Avon. So after we are done with the base, I'm going to start doing the eye makeup now. So first and foremost, I'm going to use this. I'm using this color number 4, applying it all over her crease area. Creating a smoky look effect and blending it slightly upwards. Now I'll be using the color number 3 and I'll be patting it right above the dark color. I'll show you a technique how to use this as an eyebrow pencil. So with light strokes we are going to make her eyebrows. Since it's a very dark color, we are not going to go too deep on it. So I'm going to line her lower waterline. You can see how pigmented. I'll be using this color for highlighter on the high points of her face. Applying it on the forehead area and the high points of the face. I'll be applying this Supershock mascara by Avon, and I'm using this peach lipstick by Avon, which is a really great color for your day look. For any day look or any summery look, this is an awesome color. We are going to finish this look by tapping just a little pressed powder on the area that creases, where the fine lines are basically. Just below the eye, on the forehead, and the T-zone area, wherever her smile lines are. So here we are, guys, we are done with this look, which has complemented a beautiful jewelry by Avon, and Chandana is all ready to rock her friend's wedding. I hope you guys like the look, and it's so easy to create with this Avon products, and hope you guys will create a look for yourself too. Thank you so much for watching.